Here we will write a Python program to create two tuples from the user and concatenate these two tuples to create third tuple. So first we'll open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll define two empty tuples as T1 and T2. Then we'll accept number of elements for first tuple in N1. So N1 equal to int input, enter number of elements for first tuple. Then we will define one variable I which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop to accept the elements from the user. So while I less than N1, we will accept the element in E. So E equal to int input, enter number of elements, and we will append this element to tuple. So T1 equal to T1 plus E and comma, which is a separator between tuple elements, and we will increase I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will accept number of elements for second tuple. So N2 equal to int input, enter number of elements for second tuple. Again we will initialize I as 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than N2, and we will accept element in E. So E equal to int input. Here we will print enter element, and here also we will print enter element, and we will append it to T2. So T2 equal to T2 plus E and comma, and we will increment I as I equal to I plus 1, and then we will print first tuple, and we will print T1. Then we will print second tuple, and we will give print T2. Then we will concatenate these two tuples to third tuple. So T3 equal to T1 plus T2. Here we will use concatenate operator, and then we will print third tuple as print T3. Then we will save this, and we will execute this. I will enter number of elements for first tuple as 2, and I will enter the elements. Then I will enter number of elements for second tuple as 3, and I will give elements. It will print first tuple as 4 and 5, second tuple as 5, 6, 7, and third tuple as 4, 5 and 5, 6, 7. It will concatenate these two tuples and create third tuple.